Jai Hind, my dear student. Today we will learn about how to use undo and redo feature and how to insert column, row, how to delete columns and row, and how to change row height and column width. We will also study the use of autofill. Let's learn how to undo the command. Okay, so undo command can be found on the quick access toolbar. It allows you to reverse the last action you have performed. Each time you perform an action, okay, a list of all action appears in a drop down arrow. Okay, like I have written in this cell Sia. Okay, so I want to undo this. So go to the quick access toolbar. As you can see, this is the button of undo and this one is for redo. Okay, so I have done undo. Now I will do redo. So just click it. Sia have come. It is an redo. Okay, now I will tell how to insert the cell. Okay, so first select the cell where you want to insert new cell. Like in home tab, click on insert option from the cell group. Suppose I want to insert a cell between name and maths. Okay, just click on it. Go to insert tab, insert cell. Okay, and choose the required option in the dialog box and click OK. So this row is this column is created. Okay, so now how to insert the row? Select the cell where you want to insert a new row. Okay, in the home tab, click on insert option from the cell group. Click on insert sheet row option to insert a new row. Suppose I want to insert here between row 4 and 5. Okay, so just select it, insert, and here. Okay, now I want to delete the cell. So what I will do, select the cell or the group of cell which you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete the D column. Okay, so select it. Select the cell. In the home tab, click on the delete button from the cell group and click on delete cell option. So this one is deleted. Now I want to delete the row. So what I will do is select the cell from the row you want to delete. In the home tab, click on the delete button from the cell group and click on delete sheet row option to delete a row. Okay, so the row is been deleted. Now how to change the row height? Okay, so for selecting the row height, select the row or rows whose width height you want to change. Okay, so on the home tab in the cell group, click on format option. Okay, click on row height option for the cell size list. The row height dialog box will appear. Type the value that you want and then click OK. Okay, so see, the row height has been set. So how to change the column width? For this, select the column or column whose width you want to change. Okay, click on format option on the home tab in the cell group. Click on column width option from the cell size list. The row height dialog box will appear and in the column box type the value that you want to click. Okay, so as you can see, the width has been set. Okay, now how to autofill? So autofill feature of MS Excel allows you to enter predefined series of data automatically. If you are entering a predefined series like 1, 2, 3 or days, or you can use the autofill command automatically extend the sequence. Okay, so for this, first select the 2 cells or 3 cell and then drag the file handle. Okay, like this. Is that clear? Similarly, you can also use the text data series. For this, first type the first value, like I am typing the Monday. Okay, select it, drag the file handle plus to complete the series and release the mouse button. The cell will be filled with the days of a week, as you can see it. Thank you student for watching this video. I hope you would have liked it.